Hello everyone, 大家好. Today we are going to learn about some daily objects in Chinese and how to use them in sentences. 一起来开始吧。Jacket, 外套，外套。Hang the jacket, 挂外套，挂外套。Shirt, 衬衫，衬衫。And for t-shirt, we use 短袖 for short sleeve shirts, 短袖 and 长袖 for long sleeve shirts, 长袖，长袖 And hang the shirt is 把衬衫挂起来，把衬衫挂起来。Trousers is 长裤，长裤。Put on trousers, 穿长裤，穿长裤。Can you put on trousers yourself? Shorts, 短裤，短裤。Swimsuit, 泳衣，泳衣。Do you like swimming? Hat, 帽子，帽子。And wear a hat is 戴帽子，戴帽子。Socks, 袜子，袜子。And to take off your socks, that is 脱袜子，脱袜子。Gloves, 手套，手套。Scarf, 围巾，围巾。To wear a scarf, we say 戴围巾，戴围巾。In wintertime, remember to wear a scarf. Shoes, 鞋子，鞋子。Put on shoes, 穿鞋子，穿鞋子。Can you put on shoes yourself? Sunglasses, 墨镜，墨镜。Watch, 手表，手表。Wear a watch is 戴手表，戴手表。Backpack, 书包，书包。And when you go to nursery, you wear a backpack, 背书包，背书包。Do you like to wear a backpack? Bowl, 碗，碗。Plate, 碟，碟 or you can say 碟子。Cup, 杯子，杯子。Knife, 刀子，刀子。And to cut with a knife, you can say 用刀子切。For example, you can say I cut an apple with a knife. 我用刀子切苹果。Fork, 叉子，叉子。Chopsticks, 筷子，筷子。Eat with chopsticks, 用筷子吃。For example, we eat noodles with chopsticks, 用筷子吃面条。Spoon, 勺子，勺子。Toothbrush, 牙刷，牙刷。And when we use toothbrush to brush our teeth, we say 刷牙。Brush your teeth is 刷牙，刷牙。And we also need toothpaste for brushing your teeth. 牙膏，牙膏。Shampoo is 洗发水 which we use it to wash your hair. 洗发水。Use shampoo to wash hair. 用洗发水洗头发。用洗发水洗头发。 And for shower gel, we call it 沐浴露. 沐浴露. We shower with shower gel. And we also need towel, 毛巾. 毛巾 for when we shower. Hang the towel would be 把毛巾挂起来. 把毛巾挂起来. Rug is 地毯. 地毯. Book, 书. 书. What is your favorite book? And to say you read the book, you can say 看书. 看书. And we have paper and pen. Paper is 纸. Pen is 笔. 纸. 纸. 笔. 笔. And we have crayons. 蜡笔. Crayon. 蜡笔. Draw with crayon. 用蜡笔画画。用蜡笔画画。Play-Doh, 彩泥。彩泥。Do you like to play with Play-Doh? Toy, 玩具。玩具。Lamp, 灯。灯。Which lamp do you have at home? And to say turn on the lamp, you can say 开灯。开灯。And to turn off the lamp, that would be 关灯。关灯。And now it's time for bed. Bed is 床。床。I sleep on the bed would be 我睡在床上。我睡在床上。In the bed, there is blanket, 被子。被子。And also, we have pillow, 枕头。枕头。Comb is 梳子。梳子。And it also means hairbrush as well. Brush. And depends on which one you use, you can either say comb your hair, 梳头, or brush your hair, 梳头。梳头。Thank you for watching today, and remember to repeat after me. 再见。